Hello everyone, it's 2025 and you know what that means. It's now time for another anime bold review dito sa ating channel Harriet. And if you like this video, paki-subscribe na lang po sa channel, hit that bell icon for more of your anime bold review. This is an annual review ng ating channel regarding anime bold or kung susumahin yung the H word. Hen, yung nagsisimula sa hen. Hintayin nyo ako, di ba? Okay, so this year we are going to talk about Sweet Home Onesan. And the full title of this anime mature movie is, let me just take a look at it. Sweet Home H na Onesan Wasuki Desuka. Okay. I don't know what that means, but sure. The main plot ng anime na to is we are following the exploits yung adventure ni Ryuichi. Ryuichi is a university student. He used to live alone and enjoyed his school life. But one day, his apartment was destroyed by a fire. Via fire, nasunugan siya. Okay? He reluctantly comes back to his house. But his house has been changed to a boarding house for girls. Okay? It seems there is no place for him to live, but they all allow him to stay there together, and thus his new life begins. Okay, so masasabi ko lang, si Ryuichi is one vulnerable person throughout this show. Okay, when I say vulnerable, he is prone to being horny. He is. He is the type of guy na matatalo sa No Nut November in a single as long as may babae humawak sa edits niya. Okay? Yun yung masasabi ko dito kay Ryuichi. What you're seeing here sa picture nito is Chinatsu. She is one of the girls living in this home. And papakilala ko ang mga babae. Okay? One is Chinatsu. Ito yung nakikita nyo sa harap sa picture nito. The other is Manami. Siya yung nakasalamin. Okay. So if you check the thumbnail, may babae doon na nakasalamin, blonde yung buhok. Siya ay si Manami. The next one we're going to talk about is Lisa. Siya yung bata. Okay? Siya ba, Lisa pa pangalan niya? I guess. So, teka. Let me just check the IMDb page para siguradong ano. Wait, what is it? Podcast. Yeah, Lisa Tomosato. And lastly, the two last ladies is Kyoko. Siya yung nanay-nanayan ng boarding house. At best girl. Yung sasabi ko, yung paborito ko, Kyla Estrada ng ng Sweet Home. Si Kaide Rukawa. Okay. Kaide Soga. Yun. Okay. So, ang unang nakatalik dito ni Ryuichi ay si Chinatsu. Chinatsu is very, very down bad sa mga lalaki. At masasabi natin na umpisa pa lang ng series na to. It's a 3-episode series. Umpisa pa lang, tinira na kagad ni Chinatsu itong si Ryuichi. Kawawang Ryuichi, nabinyagan kagad. Ewan ko kung ilang gabi na siya nag-i-stay dito sa tinutuluyan niyang apartment, pero siya ay bininyagan kagad ni Chinatsu. Okay. Yung pagkatalik ni Ryuichi tsaka ni Chinatsu, si Chinatsu yung nag-initiate ng pagtatalik. Okay? Actually, most of the scenes here, yung babae yung nag-initiate. So dito, pinaglaruan ni Chinatsu yung edits ni Ryuichi at ganoon. Okay? sinubo niya yung edits ni Ryuchi. At dito, nilabasan tong si Ryuchi. Ang maganda kay Ryuchi, para sa mga babae na to, is madali siyang tigasan. Kaya nga sinabi ko, di ba? He is very, very vulnerable. Yun yung meant ko na vulnerable siya. Madali siyang maging down bad, madali siyang tigasan. At sa una, parang umapalag pa si Ryuchi, pero pag nakakita ng pussy, kaganyan didilaan. Yun yung parang recurring theme dito magpakita ng ari yung babae, bigla nang lulusob itong si Ryuchi. Okay, so yeah, that is yung patikim pa lang kay Chinatsu. Chinatsu, very performative sa kanyang pagtatalik. Okay. And they went to dinner. Napansin ni Manami na masaya-masaya si Chinatsu at ang gulo ng damit niya na parang katatapos lang. Okay? And dito na nag-seek ng opportunity na si Chinatsu na si Manami na yung susunod na titira kay Ryuchi. So naluligo si Ryuchi, biglang pumasok si Manami at dito nagtalik na sila. Average dito is 2 girls per episode. So si Manami ang second na babae na tumira kay Ryuchi dito sa episode na to. Okay? So I think second to the weakest sex scene dito kay Manami. Ang masasabi ko lang dito is inintroduce yung backlog. Okay? Yun yung parang yun yung parang cork na nilalagay sa butas ng puwet. Okay? At ayun, at sarap na sarap itong si Manami na habang tinitira siya ni Ryuchi, di ba may impact yung abdomen mo dun sa puwet. So nababangga yung backlog at parang tinitira na rin yung puwet ni Manami. So double penetration tuloy yung dating. Yeah, yun. So dito kay Manami wala akong masyadong masabi dito kasi para siyang yung seg scene sa Overflow Yung pagtatalik sa Overflow, okay? So, yeah, para sa akin mahina ang kay Manami. Mas maganda pa yung kay Chinatsu kasi medyo libog na libog itong si Chinatsu Alam mo na yung ibig ko sabihin diyan, di ba? Okay. At ang may plot dito is may nalaman ni Ryuchi na si Lisa pinagjajakulan siya, okay? Pinaglalaroan ni Lisa yung sarili niya at si Ryuchi gulat na gulat. Okay. So we go to episode 2. Ang episode 2 is ang tumira kay Ryuchi sa episode 2 ay si Lisa saka si Kyoko. Yung nanay-nanay nila. I am uncomfortable kay Lisa. It is for me the weakest. Okay, kaya nga sabi ko second to the weakest ito kay Manami kasi pagdating kay Lisa is ito yung weakest. Una, I am uncomfortable. I don't want to talk about it. Pero bata itong si Lisa. I'm not sure if she is in the legal age to do this. But this is Japanese bold. So, nilagyan siya ng eksena. Let's just say, pinaglaruan ni Ryuchi ang sarili niya kapalit ng maglaro si Lisa sa sarili niya at nagtirahan sila. Okay? And I felt uncomfortable dito. Okay, skip na natin yan. Punta na tayo sa pangalawang pagtatalik scene sa episode 2. And dito, inisip ni Ryuchi yung good time niya kay Lisa at siya ay naglaro ng kanyang hotdog, ng kanyang jumbo hotdog. Habang nilalaro ni Ryuchi ang kanyang jumbo hotdog, habang iniisip ang ginawa nila ni Lisa, pumasok itong si Kyoko, yung nanay-nanay nila, at nahuli, cut in the act, cut in 4K, yung pagsasalsal ni Ryuchi. And dahil doon, akala ni Ryuchi, i-evict na siya sa bahay ni ate. Yung pala, si ate, lumusob, at kagad, sinubo yung hotdog ni Ryuchi. At dito sila nagtalik. Tapos dito, naghubad yung nanay-nanay niya, si Kyoko, nagsuot ng apron, and ang laki ng joga ang laki ng joga ng nanay-nanay nila, hindi kasya yung apron, lumilitaw, at doon nagtalik na silang dalawa. At ito ay parang stepmother, stepson dynamic, okay? So, masasabi ko na yung kay Chinatsu is the down bad. Manami is yung basic segs. Okay? Lisa is, alam mo na, Shotakon. Ito is stepmother typical scene na, ayun, it's a much more mature per. Lahat naman ata sila mature eh. Pero yun, nagtitirahan yung ano, yung tinira ni Ryuichi na nainanayan niya. Ito naman yung nanay-nanayan, parang binigyan ng bold pass for the day para siya ay tirahin ng kanyang anak na nakan. And yeah, that's for episode 2. This is for me the third best. I'm not say third best, but yeah, it's the third best scene. Okay? It's the third best scene sa series na ito. Okay, let's go to the final. Episode 3. Pumunta sila sa isang private island kasi si Chinatsu nanalo ng loto. Okay? Nanalo siya ng loto na parang dinala sila sa isang private resort. La Playa Roja. Panoorin nyo sa Netflix, La Playa Roja. Hindi ako sponsored pero yun. And ayun, nagdesisyon si Ryuichi na wag na tigasin. Ayun, nagpaiwan siya sa beach kasama si Kaide. Okay? Nakita nyo si Kaide, parang hindi good time. Si Kaide kasi medyo instructor siya, teacher siya. She is more of the tsundere. Tsundere na babae dito. Shy type, introverted. Dinala ni Ryuichi si Kaide sa dagat, tinigasan siya kasi lumapit hindi sanay si Kaide sa dagat, nadulas siya. So, napayakap siya kay Ryuichi. Bumangga yung dodo ni Kaide sa kanya at tinigasan itong si Ryuichi. At ginawa nila, nagtalik sila sa bato. Again, nagpakita ng joga itong si Kaide. Nagpakita rin ng ari. At again, si Ryuichi nakakita lang ng ari, lumusog kagad, dinilaan niya. Okay? And yun. This is for me the best scene in the movie. I like Kaide. Siya yung Kyla Estrada nga dito sa dito sa Sweet Home. And we cap it up na nag-climax itong si Kaide tapos may humipo sa kanya at yung mga babae na. And this is the orgy that sets it up. I won't tell. Ayoko ikwento yung orgy because Lisa, yung bata, kasama nila dito. I don't want to talk about it, pero it's barring the scenes from Lisa kung saan pininggir siya ng nanay-nanayan niya, it's the best. I mean, it's the best. Hindi ko siya i-count as like what? Yung the best scene kasi orgy to eh. Lugi naman. So, I suggest just to watch this episode 3 yung dulo. You won't miss it for the world para sa akin. So, ranking all the scenes, Kaide number 1, Chinatsu number 2, Kyoko number 3, Manami number 4, Lisa is 5. Yeah. That is Sweet Home One-san. It ended with an orgy. Okay. So, for next year, Anime Bold Review, ang ating re-reviewin is Shoujosek Innocent Lovers. It is a yuri genre, and I think this will be barring the Mankitsu. Nga pala, speaking of Mankitsu, yeah, the orgy dito doesn't go on par with Mankitsu. Mankitsu changed my pants. Okay? It changed my pants and para siya na yung standard. So, anything else after Mankitsu, it's just cakewalk. Okay. So, yeah, next year we are going to be headed to Shoujo territory, Shoujosek Innocent Lovers. Next year, Anime Bold Review. This is Harriet telling you, see you next year. Goodbye and good night. Bang!